I'm Lauren Haley with Dan User Radio Group at Compass, and this is High Hill.
We lost our minds. Time took over you. I never knew what I was in for.
I'm Lauren Haley with the Dan User Radio Group at Compass, and I want to introduce you to Yvette, who is our lead designer. Also, Jason Romano, who is the founder, developer, and architect of High Hill. Yvette, the house is stunning. What is your inspiration for design?
Thank you so much, Lauren. My inspiration is a European, well-traveled style where you can go and relax, unwind, clear the mind, and be in a beautiful environment out in the country.
Jason, tell me about some of your favorite aspects of this house.
This house is really unique among all the houses we've designed on the property, and it's been such a joy to work with someone so talented like Yvette, who has just an unbelievable eye for natural materials and really taking the architecture and the environment and combining them into one beautiful element. This house, unlike so many of the others, we put in a place that overlooked the lake. It sits in a natural forest, a forested area, and it just really has stunning views from every location throughout the house.
I'm over you. What I was in for. I'm over you. What I was in for. I'm over you. We lost our minds. Time took over you. I never knew what I was in for. I'm over you. We lost our minds. Time took over you.
Thank you for experiencing High Hill with us today. I'm Lauren Haley with the Dan User Radio Group at Compass. Please contact me for more information.
We lost our minds.